In today's class we will be learning the topic, impact of family values on lifestyles. Value. Value is the importance/worth placed on something. It also refers to belief, feeling or ideas of what is important, desirable and good. Values are the product of the interaction between an individual and some objects or situations in the environment. Family value is the standard of perfection found in the life of each family member. This can be through what one learned from one's parents, peers or even society. Types of value. Intrinsic or goal values. Instrumental values. Values that have intrinsic and instrumental worth. Lifestyles. Lifestyle is the particular way of life of a person, family or a nation. It is a clear and concise view of the kind of living that will bring satisfaction to a person, family or a group of people. Family lifestyle. This is the way a particular family lives or the manner by which they carry out things. For instance, a godly family will always wish to be in the church, involve themselves in all activities in the church. Types of lifestyles. Occupation and employment. Roles and roles combination. Consumer practices. Family values define what you and the other people in your family consider to be right or wrong. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.